Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. Today, we're reviewing the 3 best Shizuku-based applications that unlock your Android device's full potential without the need for root access. Before we jump into the apps, let's briefly talk about the engine powering them. Shizuku is a game changer. It acts as a bridge, allowing regular apps to access system-level APIs with ADB shell permissions. It's safe, efficient, and opens a doorway to utilities that simply aren't possible on a stock device. If you haven't set it up yet, it is the essential first step to modern Android customization. First on our list is Install with Options. This app sounds simple, but for power users, it is an absolute lifesaver. Its main purpose is to give you advanced control over app installations that the standard Android installer blocks. Install with Options uses Shizuku to bypass system restrictions. The biggest feature here is for Android 14 users. It allows you to bypass the Target SDK limit, letting you install older applications that the system would normally reject. Beyond that, it allows you to downgrade packages without uninstalling them first, which is critical for keeping your app data intact. It even supports batch installations and split APKs. It handles all of this directly on device, making it a must-have tool for developers and enthusiasts. Next up, we have Network Switch. We all know the frustration of a phone clinging to a weak 5G signal when 4G would be faster, or draining batteries searching for networks you don't need. Network Switch gives you manual control with one-tap switching. It unlocks access to 34 different network modes, including specific configurations for 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G, as well as regional standards. It features a modern Material Design 3 interface and includes a quick settings tile so you can toggle your network mode right from the notification shade. A major plus is its privacy focus. The app requests absolutely no internet permissions. Whether you're optimizing for speed in a bad signal area or forcing 2G to save maximum battery life, this puts the control back in your hands. Finally, we have Dizuku. This is a unique utility designed to solve a very specific problem regarding device owner permissions. Device owner privileges grant an app full administrative control, but Android normally restricts this to just a single app. Dizuku solves this by acting as an intermediary. It holds the device owner permission itself and then delegates that authority to other apps that need it. This is ideal if you need to run multiple high-level tools simultaneously, like using Aurora Store alongside Test DPC. Instead of these apps fighting for control, Dizuku shares the permission between them. It's easy to set up via QR code, and it ensures you don't have to compromise on which advanced tools you want to keep active. So there you have it, 3 incredible apps that prove you don't need root to deeply customize your experience. Give these a try and let me know which one helps you the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.